This fitment video is brought to you by Ryco TV. In this episode, we will be showing you how to fit Ryco filters RCA246P on a Mazda2. Locate the cabin air compartment in the driver's footwell and undo the 4 screws that hold it in place. Then remove the cover and put the screws aside for later. Now take out the 2 used cabin air filters. These filters were changed a month ago in a DIY test. You can see by the amount of leaves and dirt that they've caught in that time that they've done a pretty good job. Grab your new Ryco Cabin Air RCA246P filters and take a look at how they fit together. They only fit in one way, so make sure that the directional arrows point in the same way and that they slide together smoothly before fitting the top filter first. At this point, you'll be using 2 hands, one to hold the top filter in place and the other to slide in the bottom filter. As we're unable to shoot this without obstruction, we're showing you the bottom filter already placed in this position. Now slide the top filter in place. Replace the compartment cover and fit the screws back in place. Then you're done. This video was brought to you by Ryco TV.